course you do, Neb. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm at the house and don't want to scream. Phenobarbital. Phenobarbital. That's it, Christy. Phenobarbital. Phenobarbital? Yeah, and seizures. Or maybe that's for my seizures. I'll have to look at my bottles and see. Yeah. One's for seizures and one's for BP. So the phenobarbital isn't for BP? Then why do I have to take that twice a day? I only had one. Huh. My dad having seizures has nothing to do with me having them. At this. Never mind. Okay. I only had one when I passed out, or whatever happened up there. I really don't know. Twice a day, yeah. And the BP is only once a day. I'm not withdrawing from anything. Could be. I don't remember anything except waking up there in the hospital. Hello. Hey. What about him? I'm sure she didn't drop them all. I don't care. Really don't. Ma'am, this was last week. Oh my God. I have to go grab my bottle, Miss Christie, and see what the one is. Just trying to get something to eat. Stayed off yesterday. I've only got chime, you know. Thank you. Thank you, I still have it. Very true. I don't know who that is. Hoagies and Stogies, that's a good one. I know, it was last week anyways that I was in there, so... You know, or I would actually. Thank you, and I don't know an Evelyn, honey. I'm not sure. Not sure. Thank you, Green Eyes. What she's laughing at. Oh, it doesn't? Okay, well then it must be my imagination when I buy them every day then. Thank you, Brittany, for sharing. So yeah, guys, all I got's chime. It's been like not helping me that much, right? You can download it. It takes 2 seconds. What, that she was asking for money, and I told her no, I wasn't going to come on and ask you guys for money. So I knew what was going on. Yeah, I'm glad she did expose it. That's great. I don't know. Yeah, it's a loose meat. Yeah, Italian. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Now we got Chris. Oh my God, this fucking bitch. Where is, what's her name that's supposed to drop that video? That's so great, dude, that you did that for me. That's so great. The corner store. Anyways, it's on the sticker, guys. L Richard 5. Another creator that talks about me. Nope, just hungry. Oh boy. So anyways, if you guys want a mod, I still need mods too. Wow. Fucking stupid bitch because I blocked her. She knows what's up. All I got's fucking Chime, but he has a goddamn excuse. Start fucking... That's alright, I'm gonna see how this goes and we'll see how that goes from there. Because I'm about to fucking have had it, dude, with being hungry and shit. I'm about to have had it, bro. Oh, she's in here, number 4. No cash app to get food, just Chime. Whoever just texted that. L Richard 5 Chime, that's it, honey. They want to come in every day watching. When I message them, they don't want to answer. That's so amazing. I'm going to block those people right now, actually. I've just had it. Could have been able to eat right after the doctor. I wasn't allowed to eat before. I thought I had the money to eat before anyway. What's her fucking TikTok name? And she wants to be fucking stupid and act fucking stupid as fuck, dude. Let me check something real quick. Call me the fuck back now. 2 days. Call me the fuck